Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make fan-ins on noise. So on my channel I'm doing a little series where I show you guys how to do fan-ins, but in different apps and ways and strategies. So if you're new to my channel and you just found this video, you should first watch this video and check out my channel because I have more methods, and you can pick one of the method and think about which one is good for you. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start the video. Okay guys, so if you want to do a fan-in like I'm going to show you right now, If you want to learn how to make a fan-in like that, you should stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you guys right now. So, the first thing you want to do is have your pictures that you're going to use picked out. So, the pictures I have picked out are these right here. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use these. So after you have your pictures picked out, you want to have a slideshow. So my phone automatically comes with a slideshow little custom thingy. So if you want to do a slideshow with the pictures you're going to use, just use KineMaster or any app that can do a slideshow. Just don't edit it at all. Just do a slideshow and it should look something like this. So after the slideshow app or whatever you use to make a little simple slideshow, the video should look like this. I'm just going to speed it up a little bit. It's just like a normal slideshow video. And yeah, so once you have your slideshow video, you're going to go ahead and go on to TikTok. And you're going to look for a sound you want to use. I mostly just go on to hashtags and search fan-ins, and that's where I find my fan-ins sounds. So just gonna search for fan-ins. You're gonna search for fan-ins, and then you're gonna press search, and then you just go on the fan-ins page. You're gonna search here, and there's many fan-ins, and you just can look at the sounds, and then you're gonna choose the sound you want to use. So I chose this sound, and I'm gonna go ahead and press it, and then I'm gonna press the little circle at the bottom. Then you're gonna press upload. Then you're gonna press the video you just did, the slideshow thingy. You're gonna press it. Sometimes it's gonna work, and then what's there, you're just gonna crop some of it out. Let me just crop, and then just accept it, and then you press next, and it should be progressing the videos or whatever it's doing, but that's what it says. It should be loading. Okay, so that's how it looks, and then you're gonna press next. So once you have the audio, the main point we're using TikTok is to get the sound, because noise does not come with the sounds. And yeah, so once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and press who can view my video. You're gonna make it changed to private because you're just editing a video and you don't want it to go public yet. So then you're gonna go ahead and press post. Okay, so once it was posted on private, you're gonna go ahead and press the little dots on the bottom. Then you're gonna press download, and it should download to your gallery or your Photos app. So once the video was saved to your gallery, you're gonna go ahead and go on to the app noise. This is where the effects will come in place and make the edit, which will make it better. So we're gonna go on noise, and you're gonna press the circle in the middle at the bottom right here. You're gonna press that, and you're gonna press video editor. Then you're gonna press the video you just made on TikTok. You're gonna press next, and then so you make sure it's the video. Then you're gonna press next. It should be progressing. So once it's it's gonna take you a little long, and it's gonna take you to the noise studio where you're gonna do the effects. Should be popping up right now. So you're just gonna go onto the little button that's over here that says effects. You press on it, and then you're gonna press transitions, or it says trans. So we're gonna press that. So there's a bunch of transitions you can use for the video. So for the transitions, you're gonna play the video and wait for the transition for the other picture to show up. So you're gonna go there. So I'm gonna scroll right there, and I'm gonna press shock at the bottom of this one, and it makes a cool effect. We just make it work. Sorry about that. I'm gonna move it to the part that I want it, and then I'm gonna do it. So that's how it should look, and then you go over, and it should look. And then you do it for the rest of the photos, but you can add different transitions for each photo. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this is the first one, and then I'm gonna do it for the next one. So I'm gonna do the next one as horizontal, and it should look like that. And then you just add transitions to all the parts where it changes the picture image. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So guys, I have added my transitions, and this is how it looks like. So once you have that, you're gonna press the little check mark over here. Or wait, actually don't press that yet. You're gonna go ahead and go to filter, or one of these that are close to the what we were just on. At the bottom, there's a bunch of modes. So you just want to press one of those modes. Like, you can add so many effects to your videos, to your ed. You actually don't know. You can add so many effects to the edit, and it can shock you how cool you can make this edit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some effects and see how it turns out. So guys, this is the final effect after adding almost all the effects. So once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and press the OK button, and then you're gonna go ahead and press next, and then you're gonna go ahead and, instead of posting it, because you don't want to post it because I don't know, I don't really use this app as like the social media it is. I just use it for the edits. So you're just gonna go ahead and press save, and it should save to your photos or gallery. So it's saving right now. So guys, once you have saved the video, you're gonna go ahead and go on the app, crop and trim video. So this is how you make the edit without a watermark, because everybody hates edits with watermarks because they look so unoriginal, and the watermark sometimes just ruins the whole edit. So if you have an edit that has a watermark, you should always crop it out, or maybe you don't want to crop it out, but I like cropping them out sometimes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick out the one that I just made. I'm gonna crop out all those watermarks we had. So we are cropping the video, as you can see. And I think this is good enough. So we're going to go ahead and press the check mark at the top. And we're going to wait for it to load and save to our photo/gallery app. And after this loading, it should be in your gallery. And I will show you guys the final product. So guys, after all that, you have your edit, and this is the final product. So I really like the edits on this app called Noise, because they're very cool and it has a bunch of free effects. So you guys should go download it. And no, I am not sponsored, but I really like the app and I recommend for you guys to use it. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I post a video. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!